ये सब कपड़े हैं जो मैंने मुनासिब कपड़े रखे हैं, क्योंकि मुझे था कि इतना ज़्यादा नहीं ला सकती, ठीक है, बैग के हिसाब से। ये मेरा बैग है, साथ मैंने कुछ मेडिकल की चीज़ें रखी हैं, कुछ मेडिसिन तो वो लाजमी होती हैं। आई होप यू वॉचिंग मी हेल्दी। सो राइट आई एम गोइंग टू फायर मेडोज। इट विल टेक 5 days 4 nights for the proper tour, because I'm doing this solo as usual. I'm going with a group tour right now, but I chose to go alone because I always have to do this because of disturbance. I want comfort zone, that's why. Of course, not all the times comfort zones are good, but sometimes it's good for your health. So you should say, you can see I'm still in Lahore, okay? So within some time I'm gonna leave Lahore. I'm gonna be so happy, I'm gonna be so relaxed, because that's the thing that I'm going to do alone, okay? And there's one more thing that I want to share with you. I was offered to go to Skirt, but I said no, I want to go to Fairy Meadows, because that is the place which gives me a bump in my heart always. So I have to do that. So I chose to go to Fairy Meadows rather than Skirt. That's better. I was looking for washroom, so they said it's there, so I'm gonna find it. As soon as I find, I have to leave some water because I'm really getting in need of pee. Okay, so just stay with me. I'm going. Things are gonna be messed up a little bit, but I hope it will be fine at the end. So it's there. I want to go in there, but actually I have another option. So this is the only option I do have right now. Here, it's here. Yeah, it's here. I'm going inside. Dirty. Oh my god. Shit. So guys, after doing a little struggle, or you can say so I'm going back in this time. So right now I'm in Mansehra and I'm vlogging this for you. It's very hot out here. It's killing summer here. Okay, but it's all right. Sooner it's going to be changed. Are you to see yo?
Hi.
Are you to see yo?
Hi.
Bye. वो करके दिखाने एक दफा वो वाला. So, अब यहाँ पे नाश्ता करने लगी हूँ मैं, ठीक है. As you know me very well, I always do solo tours, okay? So I'm just doing that. So it's time for breakfast. मैंने पिछले 12 hours से कुछ नहीं खाया, because I was just like traveling, because I was alone, I was solo. Like हमेशा जिस तरह से travel करती हूँ थोड़ा सा मुश्किल, तो मतलब that was a little bit tough. So but it's fine. I'm really enjoying it. You know what? इतने ज़्यादा अनजान लोगों में I'm here and I'm little bit scared. I'm nervous. In fact मुझे होना नहीं चाहिए वैसे, क्योंकि मैं चौंके में अकेली हूँ, इसलिए मुझे थोड़ी सी nervousness हो रही है. Otherwise I hope things will be fine. And I'm going inside in crowd. Oh my god, I don't know where to sit and have food. This world is so cool. So you guys must be thinking कि मैं अकेले travel क्यों करती हूँ. So the main reason behind, or the a side reason behind this is कि मतलब मैं जब travel करती हूँ तो मेरी mostly कोशिश होती है कि I want to show you how people behave with me, how they talk with me. Like आपको मैं reactions भी दिखाती रहती हूँ, आपको मतलब मैं बातें भी सुनाती रहती हूँ, अलग अलग चीज़ें करवाती रहती हूँ, ठीक है. तो बस इस तरह की चीज़ें ना बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब वो हो जाती हैं. Like it matters a lot, because I'm in another city, I'm not in my city, so this is how it goes. But I hope everything will be good. But अभी मैं सड़क पे वॉक कर रही हूँ, और अभी मतलब यही है कि मैं मतलब नाश्ता वाश्ता करूँगी. Oh, I saw a very beautiful car here. It's an old car, but it's good, not bad. Look at this. This is, I don't know the name of this car, but whatever it is, it's going to be good. Oh my god. This is it's ऊपर National Geographic लिखा हुआ. There must be something like that. So it belongs to that channel or whatever. It is Toyota Corolla, old model. Wow, very yummy. Well, I'm waiting here. Seems like 30 minutes for the breakfast. Nothing arrived. This happens when bread and stand. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's by Annabelle. So right now I'm very near to Naran और यहाँ से मैंने गुजरना था तो मैंने अपने जूते उतार दिए।